everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a really quick video, but I want to share this with you guys. They are a few new candles that I got from Bath & Body Works. They recently had a buy one get one free candle sale, and I kind of feel a little hypocritical now because I always said that like I never bought Bath & Body Works candles before usually or regularly because they're just so expensive, and I stand by that. They truly are. But now I will allow myself to get a couple candles, but only when they're doing like a buy one get one free candle sale. Otherwise, I just can't afford to pay $24.50 for one candle. So I definitely took advantage. I got just 4 candles. So with it being a buy one get one free, it's kind of like getting each candle for like $12.25, which I feel like still for me is a little bit expensive for a candle. I'm used to getting like little $8 candles from like TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and I'm very happy and content with those, but every once in a while I do like to get a few Bath & Body Works candles, so I got a few of them and I want to share them with you guys. Okay, so this first one I got, I don't think this is like a new scent or anything. I'm pretty sure this one's been around for a while, and the name of it just really kind of intrigued me. So this one is Iced Blueberry Biscotti. I love the color of this. It has like a pretty like holographic little label on there. It looks really pretty. So the notes of this one is sugared blueberries, sweet vanilla icing, almond biscotti, and brown sugar, and I have to say like that is such an accurate scent for this candle. I love it because it's not like an overwhelming blueberry scent like there's another blueberry one they have. I think it's like blueberry waffles. That one's like super strong. This one's a little bit more subtle, more softer, and you do get that like kind of almondy biscotti scent to it. And yeah, I think this one is so pretty. I love the little container of it. I like how like on the back it's like pretty plain, so you could always kind of like turn it around if you don't want the label showing and kind of have it look a little bit more minimalistic. But yeah, this one I feel like it's gonna be like so good. I can't wait to burn this one just because I love the scent so much. And the next 3 that I got were all part of like the new fragrance like summer line. I didn't get all of the summer candles because I didn't need that many, and I'm pretty sure they weren't all available whenever they had the sale going on, so I only got 3 of the new ones, but they really intrigued me. I'm like so here for summertime. I'm ready, and I just had to get these candles. So this is what the label looks like. It's a little bit more simple, but I like it. It's like flat and cute, and like I don't know, it's just not overdone, and again you can always like turn it around if you want it to just be more like a plain looking candle. It just has like the plain like kind of like white cream colored wax. This one is called Summer Boardwalk, and it has a really pretty lid to it. It's almost like this like hammered metal kind of look to it. It's very pretty. And the scent notes for this one is caramel glazed popcorn, warm taffy apples, and salty sweet cream. So what I really get from this is definitely the apple scent. Yeah, the apple's like kind of the strongest scent to it. I smell a little bit of caramel, but the apple is truly like what I really smell the most out of this candle, but it smells really good. It's not like super crazy just like from the candle, like overpowering or anything. I don't know how it will be when I actually light it, but it does have a very soft kind of like sweet scent to it. So that one is really nice. I can't wait to burn that one. The next one, this one is called Ice Cream Bar, and that is what this one looks like. Again, it has that same kind of like hammered metal lid, and the notes of this one is glazed chocolate wafer, vanilla ice cream, and graham cracker crunch. So with this one, whenever I smell it, I don't know what it is, but when I very first open it and I smell it, there's almost like this little off kind of smell to it, but I only smell it for just a second, and then I don't really smell it very much, but it's kind of weird. I don't know if like that's just my candle or what. I don't know if maybe it has something to do with like something with the lid or something, but I'm trying to like figure out how to describe like what I mean. But yeah, now that I've had it open for a few minutes, like I can't smell that smell anymore, but the tiniest hint of like fish food for a second, which is so weird. But I don't know, because yeah, now I don't smell it. But when I first opened it, I was like, oh, that smells good. And I was like, oh, that's something weird. I don't know what that was about. I think the scent that I get the most from this one is definitely like the vanilla ice cream. And then I get that kind of like just a very slight hint of chocolate. I don't really get that much of a graham cracker scent to it, maybe a tiny bit, but I think definitely vanilla is definitely the main note that you'll get from this candle. And the last candle I got is called Berry Waffle Cone. I had to get this one. I have a little sneak peek for a video coming up. I'm gonna do some perfume fragrance reviews and stuff like that, and I got a perfume that smells so good and it's a waffle scent, like a waffle cone scent. And I just, whenever I saw this candle, it had like the berry waffle cone, I was like, oh, I have to get that one. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I love the little ice cream cart kind of look to it. I love it. And the notes of this one is sweet summer berries, golden waffle cone, and creamy vanilla. And the first scent that I really get from this is definitely the berries is the very first note. It almost smells kind of similar to the iced biscotti, blueberry biscotti one, where it kind of has that like warm, nutty, almondy kind of fragrance, but it almost smells more like cranberry-ish kind of scent to me. And a little bit of cinnamon almost. It kind of gives me just a slight bit of cinnamon smell. Also kind of reminds me just a tiny bit of like French baguette, and if you mixed that with like a cranberry kind of scent, that's kind of what it reminds me of, and I think it smells really good. But for this one, I don't know. To me, it doesn't necessarily smell like a waffle cone. Like I feel like this should smell a little bit more sugary, a little more sweeter, to smell like a true waffle cone, but it's a really great smell nonetheless, and I'm really happy with it. But yeah, that is it for my super short, super sweet little haul video of the Bath & Body Works candles that I got. Like I said, I only shop at Bath & Body Works probably like 2 to 3 times a year, and it's only when they have their annual sale at the very end of the year and when they have like buy one, get one free candles. So yeah, I kind of splurged and I got me a few more candles, but I really like them. They are really good quality though, but I just can't justify spending $24 or $50 for them for a candle. Yeah, this will definitely be good for me for the year. I don't think I will necessarily need to buy any more candles. Fingers crossed I won't, because I don't want to make a habit of this. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is below. Until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.